Protecting your masterpiece copyright tools for filmmakers. Yo, what's up everybody? It's Golu and welcome back to the channel. Now, you've poured your heart and soul into creating an awesome movie. You've got the story, the visuals, the sound design, everything's on point. But in this digital age, how do you make sure your work is protected? We're talking copyright, people. It's the shield that safeguards your creative work. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of copyright protection, exploring all the tools and platforms that'll keep your movie safe and sound. From registration services to cutting-edge blockchain technology, we're breaking it all down, so you can focus on what you do best, making incredible films. Let's get started. Digital rights management, locking down your content. First up, we've got digital rights management software, or DRM for short. Think of this as the first line of defense against unauthorized sharing. DRM tools like Adobe Content Server and Vimeo OTT let you set specific permissions on who can watch, copy, or distribute your movie. You can control how many times it can be viewed, on which devices, and even set expiration dates. It's all about keeping your content exclusive and preventing those unwanted leaks. Officialize IT copyright registration services. Alright, now let's talk about making things official. Registering your movie with the Copyright Office is like putting your name on it, big and bold for everyone to see. This step is crucial for establishing clear ownership and gives you legal grounds to take action if someone tries to infringe upon your rights. The US Copyright Office's ECO system is a great example of how easy and accessible online registration has become. Don't skip this step, people. Watermarking and fingerprinting, tracking your content online. Next up, we're talking about tools like Digimark and VeraFile. These are your secret weapons for tracking your movie online. They embed invisible watermarks, almost like digital fingerprints, directly into your video files. So if someone tries to share your movie without permission, you can trace it right back to the source. These tools are especially useful for identifying leaks and unauthorized distribution. Chapter 4. Film and Media Management Software. Get organized, stay secure. Now, managing a film project involves a ton of files, metadata, and information. That's where film and media management software comes in. We're talking about platforms like Celtics and Shotgun. They help you organize everything in one secure location. Think of it as a digital vault for your film, where you can store scripts, storyboards, production notes, and even track different versions of your movie. It's all about staying organized and having a clear record of your creative process. Chapter 5, Blockchain, the future of copyright protection. All right, now things are getting really interesting. Blockchain technology, known for its security and transparency, is starting to make waves in the world of copyright protection. Platforms like Po.et and Ascribe use blockchain to create a permanent, tamper-proof record of your movie's ownership. It's like a digital ledger that's accessible to everyone, making it incredibly difficult for someone to dispute your claim. Keep an eye on this tech. It's got serious potential. Chapter 6. Platform Power Copyright Tools on YouTube and Vimeo. Now, if you're planning to share your movie on platforms like YouTube or Vimeo, you're in luck. These platforms offer built-in copyright tools. YouTube's Content ID system, for example, scans uploaded videos for matches against a massive database of copyrighted content. If someone uploads your movie without permission, you'll be notified and can choose to take action, like blocking the video or even monetizing it yourself. Vimeo On Demand also offers similar features, giving you more control over your work. Chapter 7. Online copyright registration platforms. Quick, easy, secure. Finally, let's talk about dedicated online platforms that streamline the copyright registration process. Websites like Safe Creative and MyOurs make it incredibly easy to register your movie and other creative works. They often provide additional services like timestamping and secure storage for your files. While registering with the official Copyright Office is still recommended, these platforms offer an extra layer of protection and documentation. Outro: protect your passion, protect your film. So there you have it, a rundown of some powerful tools and platforms to safeguard your cinematic creations. And remember, while no single tool can automatically claim copyright for your movie, using a combination of these tools can help you manage, protect, and register your work effectively. It's all about being proactive and taking the necessary steps to secure your rights as a filmmaker. Don't let anyone else take credit for your hard work. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative content.